Okay, good morning, student. In part one, we have seen basic trigonometrical ratio and how to derive directly by right angle triangle and how to correlate with graph. Next topic, we have seen different type of formula in pair. For example, sine into cos x is equal to 1, 90 minus also, sine is equal to cos 90 minus 0, cos 90 minus theta. And then three identities, for example, sin square plus cos square is equal to 1. Then third part, we have seen how to remember or how to get the values of all six trigonometrical values for 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. And I have given you the trick with 4 tricks within 10 seconds. Any value you can write. Uh, Paper pattern of this chapter is very clear. Total 3 questions they will ask in geometry paper from this chapter. Problem number one ratio is given, another ratio you have to find out. That we will do today. Second, one equation will be given, you have to prove left side is equal to right side. Type 2. Type 3, word problem. So from one ratio to another ratio, first pattern, to prove the equation left is equal to right. For example, sin square plus cos square is you have to prove 1 like that. And third is word problem. So in all three sections, they will ask one question. Sin theta is 7 by 25. A, B, C, this theta. Sin theta. For this theta, this is opposite, this is adjacent, this is hypotenuse. So opposite by hypotenuse, and that is AB by AC. That is given 5 by 25. So you can't take direct AB is equal to 7. Therefore, AB is equal to 7x. AC is equal to 25x. First, we have to find BC. So in right angle triangle ABC, AB square, BC square is equal to AC square. 25x square plus BC square, 7x square. So 25x square minus 7x square. When it is minus, no, don't do square. A square minus b square. 1 time plus 1 time minus 7 plus 25, 32x. 25 minus 7, it is 80x. See, 32 into 80. So you can make this double and this half. Then square root, then square root. Or 32 into 80. Make this half, make this double. So 36 square root 6, 16 square root 4. So in both the way, you will get correct answer. So when both the numbers are not a perfect square, how to make it perfect square? One make it double, one make it half. So always bigger, make it half. So this I will make it half. Smaller, make it double. X into x, x squared, so square root is x. BC square root is BC. 36 square root is 6. 16 square root is 4. So 24x is equal to this. So this is 24x. Now your questions. cos and tan. Now cos theta, tan theta, cos adjacent hypotenuse, opposite adjacent. 24x divided by 25x. Who's my key song? This is the final answer. First of 6.1, second of 6.2. 10 is given. Tan theta is equal to 3 by 4. Take this PQR. For this theta, this is opposite, this is adjacent, this is hypotenuse. So this is opposite by adjacent. So this is PQ by QR. So PQ is equal to 3x. QR is equal to 4x. ER question. What is the basic of this type of the solution? One ratio given. In the starting, my first sentence was trigo is related to right angle triangle. One ratio given. Suppose only 4 given. So 4 by 1 you are putting. So the ratio is given. Only 7 given. 7 by 1. Ratio is given means two sides given. By Pythagoras, always find out third. Then they will ask another ratio. Substitute the formula. In the formula, substitute the value, you will get. This is first part. In the exam, what they will ask. Directly or indirectly, they will give one ratio. One ratio means two sides. Two sides by Pythagoras, you can find third side. Any third side you can find. You can find opposite, you can find adjacent, you can find hypotenuse. Correct? PQ square, QR square, PR square, 3x square, 4x square, 3 3 is a 9x square, 4 4 is a 16x square. Because for minus only we can do plus and minus, but plus we can't do. Remember that, otherwise you will do that same method. So 25x square is equal to PR square. Square root of all PR 5x. So this is 5x. Now we want sec and cos. Sec theta, cos theta. Sec is equal to hypotenuse divided by adjacent. Cos is equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Both are reciprocal of each other. 5x QR 4x. 4x 5x. So these are two answers. And in previous, these are two answers. Now we are doing third. Cot is given 49, 40 by 9. Cot theta. See, in previous, in Pythagoras second chapter, I have taught you how to find out triplet. For example, 3, 4, 5. Then odd number, then odd number, then odd number, then odd number. Then 1, 2, 3. Next number. 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 So here it was given.
सर स्क्रीन ब्लर दिख रहा है.
Okay. Here 7 and 25. So 7 and 25. So it should be 24. In this we got 3 and 4. We got 5. Now it is 40 and 9. So it must be 41. Like that, from the triplet, you can come to know that what will be the third answer. So it is very easy to reach your third answer. Out of 214 students, only 14 are online. See, now today I have to take the judgment that what I have to do. Opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse. So cot is equal to adjacent, opposite. Adjacent BC, opposite AB. And that is given. Okay. Okay. So BC is equal to 40x. AB is equal to 9. Ratio is given up. Individual length is not given. So you can't take direct 9 and 40. Remember that. In a top case, they will cancel, they will cut your mark. This is the question. So AC squared, AB squared, BC squared. AB 9x squared plus 40x squared, 81x squared, 1600x, 1681. Now, our questions cosec and sine. Cosec means hypotenuse by opposite. Sine, opposite by hypotenuse. Both are inversely proportional to each other. So 41x, O, opposite, AB, 9x. One, two, three, they have given direct ratio. In fourth one, they have given one ratio, but indirectly. 5 sec minus 12 cosec. 5 sec theta minus 12 cosec. So this comes this side. 5 sec theta is equal to 12 cosec theta. Everything you have to convert in sine and cos always. So sec is equal to cos theta. And this is 12 by sine theta. This will go to the numerator. Sine theta, cos theta. 12 will be here only. 5 goes down. So sine by cos is equal to tan theta. That is opposite by adjacent. I am taking this only. Opposite is what? AB. Adjacent is what? BC. So AB is equal to 12x. BC is equal to 5x. We have to find AC. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. 12x square plus 5 4 square. 12 is the 144x square, 25x square, 169x square, and 5 12 13 triplet that we know. So AC is equal to 13x. Now here which ratios we have to find out. Sec cosec and sine. So I'll write here sec theta, cosec theta, sorry, sec cosec, sec cosine. Sec hypotenuse by opposite. AB is how much? 12. This is hypotenuse by adjacent, 13 by 5. Cos adjacent by hypotenuse. Sine opposite by hypotenuse. First three examples they have given simple ratio. One ratio means two sides of right angle triangle. With Pythagoras find third side of the right angle triangle. If all three sides means opposite, adjacent and hypotenuse you have, then required ratio you have to write as an answer. So write the formula just like this. Hypotenuse, opposite, opposite, hypotenuse. You just substitute the answer and simplify. That is your final answer. In fourth, they have given indirect ratio. They have directly not, they have given 10 is equal to 12 by 5. Indirect, just two, three steps you have to do and to find out single ratio. From single ratio, okay, two side is given, or you can. Next also, tan theta is equal to 1. When only numerator given, divide by 1 you can write, because ratio will not change, number will not change, value will not change. So 1 by 1, that will be the ratio. So if the ratio is not given, you have to make the ratio. So ultimately all 1 to 5 sums are equal. First three directly ratio given, indirectly ratio given, only numerator given. So that you have to convert in ratio. Tan theta. Tan theta is equal to 1 means 1 by 1 is equal to opposite by adjacent. Always right hand side lower part you have to consider as theta. So opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse. So that is AB by BC. So AB is equal to x, 1x. BC also 1x. Find AC by Pythagoras. So AC square and tan theta is 1 means tan 45 is 1. So theta is 45. So if it is 45, this is 45. So 1 root 2. Like that. So that is a big theory and you must know all that point, then only you will come to know that which are the value related to 1. So this is AB square plus BC square x square AC square. So AC square is equal to 2x square root. Now what we want? We want sin theta plus cos theta. Sin theta plus cos theta and sec theta plus cosec theta. Sin theta, sin. Now this is x root 2. Sin is opposite by this. So x by x root 2 plus again x by x root 2. This is x root 2. This is x root 2 by x. When you will merge this will cancel, this will cancel. So 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. When we will merge this, root 2, root 2. This is 2 times 1 by root 2. Divide by 2 times root 2 by 1. So 2 by root 2 into inward 1 by 2 root 2. 2 cancel. 1 by root 2 into root 2, 2. Final answer is this. This total sum you can do in very short and sweet, but for that you need trigonometrical value knowledge. Wait, I am doing that shorter method. 23rd Monday, that it is stored in my laptop, but some technical problem, it is not going out. So today I will send both the videos, part 1, part 2 together. Don't worry, I have it. Huh. This is part 1, this is part 2 of fifth sum. Fifth sum it is fifth. What it is given? Tan theta is equal to 1, but we know that tan 45 is equal to 1. Therefore, theta is equal to 45, hence proof. Tan theta is equal to 1. Tan 45 is equal to 1. So, theta is equal to 45, right? Slowly, slowly, students are increasing because they are sleeping up to 11 o'clock. I remember that पंक्ति हम खुद ही जल गए इन चिरागों को जलाते जलाते. So lots of motivation I have given, but now myself I have to take the decision. Sin theta cos theta sec theta plus cosec theta. No, all theta apply 45. Sin 45 from the table you can find 1 by root 2. This is also 1 by root 2. This you will get only root 2. This you will get only root 2. So this is 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 2 times 1 by root 2. So 2 by root 2. Root 2, 2 times root 2. Denominator of denominator goes in numerator. Denominator of denominator goes in denominator. 2 root 2. This is simple. Invert this. Root 2 cancel. Root 2 cancel 1 by root 2 is 2. So this is how this is. If you have that table value knowledge, you can do by this. If you want to go by Pythagoras and by substitution value, you can do by this. For that, you need the triangle. Here, you don't need the triangle. Here, you need the value given. Then you must know that tan 45 is 1. Here, first part is over. This type, out of 6 ratio, any one ratio will be given, direct, indirect. Here indirect given, in previous also it is indirect given. So part 1, 5 sums I have done now. In that way, they will change the number, triplet they will change. They will give 1 ratio. They will ask 2 ratio. 3 mark. 1 ratio given. From that you will find out third side, so 1 mark. And 2 more questions. So 1 mark. Like that 3 marks. Simple. 2 marks. So you apply in triangle, find out hypotenuse, 1 mark. Then from sine to cos, suppose they have asked. So for separate one ratio, 1 mark. Like that. this type of one question 101% will come. Now we are starting this part 2. To prove left is equal to right. For example,
Sir, 10 minutes remaining.
second topic, sin square by cos sin square theta by cos theta plus cos theta is equal to sec theta. This we have to prove. So LHS is equal to sin square theta cos theta plus cos theta by 1. Take cross product. Sin square theta plus cos square theta divided by cos theta. Sin square plus cos is equal to 1. First identity, so I am substituting the value. And 1 by cos theta is equal to sec theta. Reason 1 by cos theta is equal to what you are substituting, that you have to write into the bracket as a reason, otherwise they can cut the mark for toppers. So that is equal to right hand side. So left hand side suppose in the exam you will not write this, it is okay. See which points are very necessary that you have to write, that examiner or monitor or chief monitor will not get the chance to cut your half. In second type of the sum, they will give one equation. This is one equation. You just take left part. Left part is this. With identity, with 90 minus, with tan is equal to sin cos, cot is equal to cos by sin. Anyhow try to reduce in every step compare with right side. So this I have written left hand side. Then I have made the cross product. Sin square cos square 1. I don't want cos. I want sec. So 1 by cos is equal to sec. That is right hand side. So left is equal to right. Again we have to write. Then what is left? What is right? Now it is true. Forget about textbook. Forget about digest. Forget about your tuition classes and all that. You have to follow this. Because when there are lots of paper of fill out of fill, 60 out of 60, 40 out of 40, per 2 lakh paper, we can just give 2000 full out of fill. So there are lots of ways to find where we can cut half mark, where we can cut full mark. So these are the very, very small things I am sharing with you. That came from my long experience from SSC board. So please try to obey. Next one, cos square is it cos square 1 plus tan square. So I will write just left hand side. Cos square theta 1 plus tan square theta. That we have to prove it is 1. Identity second, 1 plus tan square is equal to sec square. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. By substituting you can write. So this much. This will be same. This will be sec square. And we know that sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Or sec square theta is equal to 1 by cos square theta. So I will substitute this. This cancel. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, hence it is true. 1 plus tan square is equal to sec square. And sec square is equal to 1 by cos square. So cos square will change. Reason you can write in bracket also. So sequence will be proper. That is not the issue, but you have to write that what conversion, which identities, which formula you are using. From this 12 proof, this sum number third, maximum number of time they have asked in SSC board. How many minutes remain, bacha? How many minutes remain?
5 minutes, sir.
Okay, we can complete one. One minus sin theta. One plus sin theta. I write sec theta minus tan theta we want. Yes. So maximum number of time you have to take the conjugate pair of denominator. If it is plus, so minus. If it is minus, so plus, like that. So multiply and divide by.
Sir, your voice is not coming.
Now, correct. 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta. So denominator conjugate pair we will take. So the opposite pair of denominator, that is plus.
Sir.
Again not coming with a. Okay. Then opposite of this. Again, in denominator it is 1 plus sign. So we'll multiply and divide by 1 minus sign. So multiply and divide by. So this is same bracket. So 1 minus sine theta square. This is opposite bracket. 1 plus sine theta. A plus B, A minus B. So A square minus B square. So 1 square is 1 minus sine square theta. Correct. Now cos square theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1. So cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta. So 1 minus sine square theta is what? Cos square theta. So 1 minus sine theta overall square divided by cos theta overall square. Try to understand. It is left hand side. Left hand side is given this. I have multiplied and divided with 1 minus sine. This will be the same bracket. So bracket into bracket, bracket square. A plus B, A minus B. So A square minus B square. But cos square plus sine square is equal to 1. That is first identity. So the 1 minus sine square, 1 minus sine square is equal to cos square. So I have substituted cos square. And now this is also square. This is also square and this is square root. So root will be omit. Root will be omit. So it is 1 minus sine theta by cos theta. Now individual
dividing 1 by cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta.